Let's go to 1688.com. If you haven't seen this before, this is Amazon's own internal system for making sales. It's a little bit like Amazon in China. Translate. And we're going to use the translate service. And lo and behold, it's all in Chinese. And my Chinese amounts to nothing at all. So what the hell do you do? Well, what you do is, suppose you're wanting to sell. Let's just have an easy one here. So we're going to start in English. We're going to translate into simplified Chinese, which is that one just there. And we're going to go for Doglish. And you want to find out what, Dieglish. That's a crazy way of saying that. So you want to find out what a target price is for a dog leash, and your supplier is basically saying to you, you tell me how much to charge you. And what that really means is, let me see if you know what you're talking about so I can charge you as much as I want. That's what that really means, okay? So what you do, come here, put in your keyword, what it is your product you're going to buy, get it simplified into Chinese, copy it, come over to 1688.com, paste it in, hit search, and now you're going to try and find your product, okay? Or something that at least looks like your product. So here's some dog leashes, retractable dog leashes. So depending on what it is you're going to sell, and you might need to try a few different things. So you might like dog leash, you might do dog lead, you might do dog harness, until you find something that looks like your product, okay? So keep at it, don't give up. It's all in here. There's loads of things for sale here, all right? And then what you do is you find something that looks like their product. So here's a retractable dog leash. Let's click on it. And then you say to your supplier, hey, Mr. Chinese supplier, well, my target price is 9 yuan based upon what I can buy it for on 1688.com. All right, so that's what you do. You send them the URL. You say, here is my target price. It's 8 or 9 yuan, and that's the price I want to pay. That's how you get a really good price from your suppliers. And I also use that as well, by the way, as a negotiating tool. So if they've given me a price, they say, yes, Neil, your price for your dog leashes is 30 yuan each. Then I go to 1688.com. I do exactly what I've just shown you. I find a similar lead. Now, invariably, I can find something very, very similar, if not the exact same thing. I then take the URL, this thing right here, and I say, well, that's great. Thanks so much for that awesome price of 30 yuan. But if you look right here on this website, I can buy the exact same thing for 10. So clearly there's a problem. How about you give me the same price I can buy it for on 1688.com? And that will save you a ton of money too. So be sure to do that. Yes. I know I've been saying yuan. I know. If they give you US dollar, what should you do? Oh no, US dollar. Well, that's pretty easy. You just turn it into US dollars. You just go to xc.com and just convert US dollars to Chinese yuan. It's dead easy. Anyway, look, you get the idea. Just translate it. It's all there for you. The internet is your friend. Translate it from US dollars, their price in US dollars, into Chinese yuan, and then go back to them. Actually, always deal with a price in yuan. They will hate it, but you'll get a better price for sure. I do it all the time. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.